Neon lights paint the streets tonight, chasing dreams under